Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Yes, it's Donald.
Hello, welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. This is Donald, and today we're going to be installing 2 lights for the seed room. I want to give D a little bit more light, so I'm going to install 2 lights in the ceiling, and I'm going to take it along with me. Oh, I see it now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it's recording.
Hello, welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. My name is Donald, and today we're going to be installing 2 lights in the seed room. I need to give D a little bit more light. It's kind of dark a little bit, so I'm going to install 2 lights in the seed room, and I'm going to take it along with me. Hold on. Okay, I have a box. We have a box, and you know where it came from. Our favorite store, Amazon. This is the 2 4-foot LED linkable shop lights. So let's open it up and see what we get. Let's open it up and see what we got, rather. Okay. And these are wall mountable, ceiling mountable. I'm going to mount them in the ceiling. So they're nicely packed. Two bars per, well, 2 sets, 2 bars, 2 light bars on each one. Slide the plastic off. One reason why I chose this set is because they have mounting holes. They have mounting holes on the bottom or the top, and I can mount to the ceiling. That's why I chose this set. Okay, I see. All right. Get rid of the trash. They come with hanging chains, which I'm not going to use because I'm going to mount them directly to the ceiling. Instructions, or as D call it, destructions. Hope you can see me. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Hold on for a minute. There we go. They come with the destructions, as D would say. Got 2 LED lights in each bar, 2 sets of, or 1 pair, and the chains. Hope you can see that. See that? All right. Now, I like to center my lights, or whatever I do. I like to try to center it, whether it's on a wall or the ceiling or whatever. And I measured my room already. So my room is 117. Oh Lord, what is that? Anyway, it's 117 from one end to the other. Half that is 58.5. That's going to be my center point. So I'm going to take that. And the light is about, that's 36. 47. The light is about 47 inches apart. So I find a center point of 47, and then all right, that's 23 and a half. That'd be my center point. Hey, hold on, I'll cut you back on. Okay. So now what you're gonna see me do, I want to find a center point of the light. So I'm gonna measure from this hole to this hole on this end. Let me see if you can make sure you can see me. All right. I want to find the center point of this light. So I'm gonna measure from this hole to this hole down here on the end. Hopefully you can see that. So when I measure it, let me get my where did I put it? Okay, where did I put it? Okay, see a little blue piece of tape I got on the floor? That is my center point. That's my center point of the room. So I'm going to take my level, excuse me, not my level, my laser. I'm going to take my laser and I'm going to center the laser from the floor all the way up to the ceiling. When I get up to the ceiling, I'm going to mark it, and that's going to be my center point. And from the center point, I'm going to measure out 20.75 inches to the left and 20.75 inches to the right. That's where I'm going to put my anchor screws in the ceiling. That's where we're going to hook the lights up to. All right, hold on. Okay, people, I found the center point of the ceiling and where I'm going to mount the first light. So bear with me, and we're going to get it done. So I got my laser, and the reason why it's flashing is because the laser is not level; it's aimed up high. And whenever the level is not level, it will flash, just to let you know that you're not level. But I want it to be not level so I can find my measurement. So that's my center point. Let's get it going. Okay. Now I have my pen in my hand where I'm going to mark the ceiling, and I have my punch where I'm going to punch the holes. So I got my tape. Oops. That's all you need. One little hole. Boom, there we go. I didn't even need the mallet. Let's get the other side. Got my screwdriver. Damn it. I'd rather use a screwdriver than the electric one because I don't want to over torque it and strip them out. Leave me a little bit of room. And now I should be able to hang the light. There it is. Now I need to tighten them up because they are a little loose. So let me set the light down. Well, I'm gonna hold the light. Tighten them up a little bit more. See what they're doing now. One down, one to go. All right, there's the center point of the second light I'm gonna mount. I have it centered. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I have it centered and it's not over the blades of the fan. And we're gonna go ahead and mount the second one. Punch the holes, screw them in, and set the light. And that looks pretty good to me. Let me see. Oh, just adjust a little bit more. Yep, I think we got a winner right there. I think we got a winner. Excuse me, you use these wall anchors because if you just put a screw in a drywall alone, the screw would it would not be tight in a drywall, and as time passed it would loosen, and you know your equipment or whatever could fall. So that's what these wall anchors are pretty good for. When you put the screw in and cinch them down, they expand, which makes the screw fit tighter in the drywall. That's what you want, so you don't have no unexpected mishaps. Oh, I'm not ready for that yet. I gotta drill this hole. Here we go. Nice and easy. That's all it takes. Get it up in there. Now, let me place the light. Take my tape off. Oops. Okay. Now let's see how tight it fits. Maybe if I get in the center, it'll be better. Let's try it now. I'm getting beat up by the ceiling fan, y'all. There it is. Wow, it looks awfully crooked. Oh, I bumped the level, that's why. Alrighty. Now let's plug everything up. Now let's see how it looks. Okay. That's plugged up. Well, Donald, that's what extension cords are for. Problem solved. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, there we have it, people. So you have two extra lights. A little bit more brighter in there. And hopefully that'll help with her vision and help you see her better. Alright, let me get ready to close this out. Alright. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to the D&D Gardening channel. Again, my name is Donald, and as you can tell, I'm new to this. I'm trying to get myself broken into because I want to be on film a little more with D. But I know it's not a good video, but hey, it'll get better on my part. So I want to thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when we upload a new video, you'll get notified. And like my wife always say, always remember, grow your own, eat your own. Until the next video, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.